Hello, people. Okay. Start. Okay, excuse me. Villa de Leyva travel itinerary. Okay, so go. Introduction of the place. Okay, welcome to Villa de Leyva. It's located in the department of Boyacá, Colombia. Excellent photos of its like Calwood medical place. Excellent. Okay, you will find beautiful landscapes and helpful people, and some places to can do street activities. Walking through the streets of Villa de Leyva, you can buy clothes of course very good quality. If you come to place, if you come to this place, you are going to enjoy it. And and then studying in Villa de Leyva 3 days, 3 days and 2 nights. Means of transportation. Traveling is wonderful. Okay, but if you want comfort, the car is the best options. The plates is not very big, so there are no buses. Also, you can get around with bicycles that are rented. Finally, I'm recommending walking through the place to enjoy the landscape more. Activity to do, happy. Okay. Uh, Day one, we will visit Chocolate Museum. Um, we will eat some snack. You will be able to be details of the place. Um, on the second day, we will walk to the terracotta house. The entrance costs $10. $10. Excuse me. Each license sport Jumut's rates motocross. Thursday. Finally, on Tuesday, the wheel of the shopping to take home. Place to stay. You can stay at the Hotel Giro. It's comfortable and pleasant with excellent service. I recommend. Uh, if you want something luxurious, the Lusitania is the best option. $320 a night. Typical foods, okay. In foods, we have fish, meat, chicken, in Peruvian or Mexican restaurants, and typical dishes. Drink, drink, okay. Chocolate is great, but you can drink chocolate beer bowler. In this place is common. Costs, money, okay. This trip, this trip has a cost of and 200 Colombian pesos. Thank you, piece of the late and form made.